Today I'm gonna dress up my go-to camera with this skin. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is my Insta360 Go2 Action Camera. I really like it, but it's white, which probably helps dissipate the heat, but I wanted to make it a little more stealthy and black it out, murder it out. So I bought this. This is a little package that came for me. This is an aftermarket skin for the Go2. You can actually order some custom skins directly from Insta360, but they're like 10 bucks. But what has two thumbs and is cheap? This guy. So this was only a few bucks. It comes with wipes to clean off the camera. Mine is pretty new, and it actually comes with 2 decals here. So let's go ahead and put these on and see if they work. I'm gonna go ahead and just peel off one of these skins. I'm glad they give me 2 in case I screw this up, and I'm gonna use the cutout hole to align the skin here. So just a piece of vinyl kind of pulls off there. Gonna get rid of the center piece. The kiss cut here is not great. I guess that's what you get for discount piece. Oh, and there's a little hole where the light is, and so I do want to try to remove that as well. This will actually sit on top of the lens, so you actually have to take this lens off, and I think it just unscrews like this. So there we go, lens is off, and now I'm going to go ahead and try to put this on here. Alright, that wasn't perfectly centered, but good enough for government work. A little crinkle there where it kind of is hugging the compound curve. I could probably just hit this with a hairdryer, tighten up those sides, but that doesn't look that bad, you know? It gives the front a little black look. I wouldn't call this totally matte black, but it's got just a little bit of a shiny sheen to it. The lens back on there, but that's cool. It definitely stealths it out a little bit. So, if you have the Insta360 Go2 camera and you want to style it up, maybe make it look like a minion, give it camouflage, or just murder it out like I did, I'll put a link to skins in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.